Well, what a year it has been. 2023 has truly positioned Dubai as a global city. In fact, we've probably achieved a whole lot more than any other city in the world. I want to welcome you to M&A Ambassadors, Becoming the USP, the Ultimate Sales Professional. Now, to bring the year to an end, I'd like to do a recap of everything that happened in this city that is going to impact real estate in 2024. Now, this might span 3 to 4 videos, but what I would like you to do is I'd like you to watch it, take notes, check the sources and use them in 2024 to show why real estate is an amazing opportunity in Dubai. So let's first look at what happened to Dubai in 2023. Now, I don't claim to be covering everything that happened in Dubai. I'm touching on certain things that will influence investments and growth in real estate. Well, the first thing that happened this year was the amazing announcement from Sheikh Mohammed about D33. The agenda to double the economy of Dubai in the next 10 years. No city on the planet is positioned for an aggressive growth half as much as that of Dubai. And this is going to be a big draw for people in real estate. Part of that same agenda is to create the initiatives and infrastructure to increase the population of Dubai from 3.5 million to 6 million in 2023. That's 250,000 new residents every year in this city. You can immediately see the requirement for real estate. Now, another area where we scored strong was the greenfield foreign direct investments. Today, Dubai is #1 in the world on foreign greenfield investments, which are massive amounts of capital influx for long-term investment opportunities. Singapore had always been #1. Today, Dubai is #1 with 511 greenfield projects coming up. For every 1 project in Singapore, 4 are opening in Dubai. And that's only the numbers from the first half of this year. The second half numbers are not out yet. But we are in a very strong place to attract multinational companies to come for long-term investments. And this data, you can check it out. It's in the Financial Times FDI market data. It was announced in October of this year, 2023. Now, another reason why real estate is doing well is Dubai has now been recognized as #3 in the top 10 power cities globally. The Economist survey in August of this year actually positioned Dubai there. And there were 4 criteria that they looked at before they ranked Dubai #3. And all of them will support home buying in Dubai. The first was the GDP growth rate, attractive growth in the economic situation in the city. The second was an increase in population moving into the city. The third was an increase in new job creation. And the fourth was the attractiveness of home buying prices. The other thing that happened during the year is we are now recognized, this is according to the US Reports and World News, we are now, the UAE, not just Dubai, is the second most stable economy in the world. Switzerland is #1, we are #2. I'm sure you will agree that a stable economy brings security into the investments. The 10-year visa, the residence visa, has made a huge attraction for people to come and invest in Dubai, particularly in homes that are ready for handovers, and we can see they are being picked up very quickly. But the attractiveness of the visa is also bringing people into the off plan, because with just 1 million investment, you can apply for your visas. Now, this year, the UAE issued its first commercial gaming license at Ras Al Khaimah with Wind Resorts, and there's more to come. We are going to see a new kind of tourist come to Dubai, a new kind of homeowner and a new kind of industry take birth in Dubai. And like with any other industry in Dubai, what touches our shores turns to gold. And we are very optimistic about the casinos and that industry. We now are the only city in the world that has got ministers for happiness, for crypto and for artificial intelligence. Look at how forward thinking this city is and the result of what is going to happen in the years to come. Also, in terms of tourism, we are back at being the most visited tourist city on the planet with the highest spend by every tourist who comes into Dubai. So there's been so much happening, all the green signals are on for Dubai, and 2024 promises to be even more attractive going forward. I want to thank you for your time on this episode of M&A Ambassadors, Becoming the USP, the Ultimate Sales Professional.